Cuffing season is here, and if you're looking to lock down that special someone, let me introduce you to my Cuff Me Surf and Turf pasta. After they eat this, trust me, they ain't going nowhere. First, season up your steak. I'm using my Texas steak rub. If you're from Texas, then you know what Papacitos is. It's that flavor all in one bottle. Get it from UncleDibbz.com. Cook that steak to their desired temperature. I'm a medium rare guy, so that's about 5 minutes on each side. Throw a little bit of butter in there, and then go ahead and set your steak to the side. Next, it's about that surf. Oil up your shrimp, and then for flavor, I'm using my Delta Dust blackening seasoning. The flavor is like Papados in a bottle. Go ahead and season up your shrimp. Saute them in that skillet. Cook for about 4 or 5 minutes. It's not going to take long at all. Then remove your shrimp and set them to the side. Now let's talk about this sauce. Now this is where you seal the deal. Add 1 cup of heavy cream to that pan. Give it a nice stir. Add some fresh Parmesan cheese and continue to stir. Now we got to flavor up that sauce. Add some more of that Delta Dust and let that simmer. Go ahead and get your pasta going. Cut up your steak into nice strips and then add your pasta once it's cooked to your Alfredo sauce. Mix your pasta with that sauce so everything is nice and well combined. Then add that surf, that's your shrimp, and then add that turf, that's that steak. Finish with some parsley and some more Parmesan cheese, and they're gonna be ready to make it official, shawty. To get this full recipe, visit the link in my bio.
That's good, shawty.